Ajwa dates, a variety of dates primarily grown in Medina, Saudi Arabia, are highly valued for their unique taste, soft texture, and numerous health benefits. They are often mentioned in traditional Islamic texts and are prized not only for their cultural significance but also for their nutritional properties. Here are some key health benefits associated with Ajwa dates. 1. Rich in nutrients, Ajwa dates are a good source of essential nutrients like dietary fiber, natural sugars, potassium, magnesium, and vitamins like B-complex vitamins. They provide energy while supporting digestion and heart health. Ajwa dates contain potassium and magnesium, which help regulate blood pressure. Additionally, some studies suggest they may help lower bad cholesterol LDL, further benefiting antioxidant properties. They are packed with antioxidants such as flavonoids, carotenoids, and phenolic acid, which help protect the body from oxidative stress, reducing the risk of chronic diseases like cancer. Digestive support. The high-fiber content in Ajwa dates promotes better digestion and prevents constipation by supporting healthy bowel movements. 5. Immune boosting. Ajwa dates are known for their antimicrobial properties, which may enhance the immune system and help the body fight infections. 6. Bone strength. The presence of essential minerals like calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium in Ajwa dates contributes to bone health, potentially reducing the risk of osteoporosis. 7. Energy booster. As a natural source of sugar like glucose, fructose, and sucrose, Ajwa dates provide an instant energy boost, making them an excellent snack for active individuals or those fasting. 8. Blood sugar regulation. Despite their natural sweetness, Ajwa dates have a low glycemic index (G) and are safe for consumption in moderation for people with diabetes, as they don't cause rapid blood sugar spikes. 9. Traditional healing uses. In Islamic tradition, Ajwa dates are believed to offer protection against certain toxins and ailments. They are mentioned in hadiths saying for health with spiritual and medicinal benefits. How to use Ajwa dates: eat them as a snack or dessert. Blend them into smoothies or energy bars. Use them as a natural sweetener in recipes. When consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet, Ajwa dates are a delicious and nutritious food with numerous health benefits. Would you like tips on incorporating them into your meals or snacks? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching.